mountains, and they're magic. They disappear when they get on the magic. They turn it back to you. Can't.
Do they? Yeah. We're just having a look at these sheep grazing here on the grass. We're just having a look at the bighorn sheep here grazing on the grass. Let's just take a look at that for you. Absolutely brilliant. Can't think they're wild. That's pretty spectacular. Look at the view here as well. You've got all Lake Mead you can see. Let's just walk a little bit further up and have a look. Stunning here as well, with all the view of the lake. So again, well worth coming here just to have a look. It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. And there is some just under the tree. Let's go have a look at them. They're just sitting there in the shade. You've just got this absolutely beautiful view of the lake. What a breathtaking area this is. What a view.
Just unbelievable, isn't it? Why have we never been here before?
I don't know. They let you get quite close to them, don't they, as well?
Yeah, they're just chilling out, relaxing. What a perfect spot they've got there. In the shade, kind of chewing away. And they've got this beautiful grass area looking out at the, what a Boulder city.
Yeah, that's absolutely amazing, isn't it?
They're everywhere, they're all down here.
Yeah, there's a lot about. Like I say, never been here before. That's unbelievable, really, isn't it? So here we've got even more of the sheep. Look at them there. They're just standing there grazing beautifully in the shade under that tree. Absolutely fantastic, that is. So so glad we've come here and check this out. It's remarkable. And look how close you can get to them. Daryl's virtually right by one there. I've just gone a bit closer, so they have started walk off there. And we've got some more actually here as well by this children's playfield. Let's just check them out as we walk back across to the vehicle. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful area. You don't realise these are all about, do you, really?
No. We knew they'd come back here at this time. They've been out in the mountains before.
And they've come back
To graze and...
all here now for graze on this grass. Wind's got up a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's another really different, unusual film I've got for you there. The big sheep.